Hey Josh, this is a quick demo video for you for your Leia. Just got this done today. So we got it all installed, had a little bit of issue with the chassis at first, but no problem, got one printed out. Everything's installed, Proffie 2.2. You've got your stock NeoPixels in there, and activation button right here, auxiliary right here. So you just want to open it up like this, obviously. I'm sure you've had a chance to play around with this empty before you sent it to me. Everything is a tight fit in here, but it does fit. So what we've got here is we've got a removable battery chassis. This is your negative side, always with the spring, positive over here. You got your 28mm Smuggler's Outpost bass speaker, Proffie board, and it is not glued in. This is a press fit in. So I do that so that you can pop it up at any time and get to your card or your USB if you needed to. Just make sure that when you put it back in that it's pressed down all the way. It does fit in there pretty tight. There are grooves on each side for the wires to lay in, so just pay attention to that if you ever pop the board out. The wires underneath will need to lay on either side of this board so that it lays flat, just like that. So we're going to pop a battery in here for you, and we'll put this on. Couple threads, no biggie. Locked all the way in. He did ask for motion control, so we do have the quick draw. So you notice how I'm not pressing the activation or the auxiliary, and it's off. Oh, it sounds really good. Or you can just hit the activation if you like. And when it's off, tap the auxiliary to change sound fonts.
Smooth Jedi.
Or you can not hit the button. Turn around like that. Again.
Smooth gray.
And then I do have a 1-inch test blade. Sorry I didn't grab it, hang on. I've always got that weird picture behind me right there. I share an office with my wife, so the cool part of the office, which is my side, nobody ever gets to see. You just get to see that weird guy over there, but it is pretty cool because she drew it. So props to her for drawing that. That's why it's on the wall. But anyway, you have 2 blade retention screws here. We're just going to use one. That's really all we need for this video. Let me turn my light off. Turn it off. Fire blade.
Smooth fuzz.
No activation. So everything is working good there. Motion control is working good. And I will get this. I'm just trying to take this blade out real quick. So I'm going to load this video up and get it sent over to you, and then I can actually get this packed and with a tracking number tonight. Thank you, sir.